Hello, I'm Alan Hummer. I'm the National Sales Manager for National Pump. National's been making vertical turbines for 55 years. It was a privately owned company until 2010 when Gorman Rupp Company purchased the company. We do only vertical turbines, heavy industrial ones like you see beside me here, from 6-inch to 30-inch currently, super high efficiencies throughout our product range. We've been heavily in the ag market historically. We're moving more and more into the municipal water market and API, highly engineered products. That's something we're striving to do, is beef up our engineering and provide a very high quality pump. And the market's demanding more and more support from the manufacturer. So we've been beefing up our engineering. We have a lot of R&D projects going on now, trying to get some of the best NPSH available in our type of products for the industry. Looking to fill in hydraulics up to 40-inch eventually. We're beefing up our testing facilities to be able to handle that. We've got a dedicated R&D team that's working on all of that all the time. We're going to a more market-based distributor representative. We're looking to be adding new distributors in all markets across North America and globally. For more information, please visit our website,